we created video that we want to have and we are happy with it. We need to export it, and this is a very important part when we exporting it. We have to go to File and click on Export, and we choose Export Media. We'll get new window, and in this new window we have format H.264. This is exactly what we want to have. If you open other options, you see QuickTime, you have MPEG functions, DVD, JPEGs, and so on. But what you really want is H.264. And next thing what you want to do is to change preset. If you click here, you can choose all the available options. But I would suggest to use match source and choose high bitrate, the one that is selected. And you will have to see the video, how it looks like after you exported the video. If you don't like it, then you have to come on again here and change to another one. But this match source is something you want to start with. Otherwise, I would use, if I don't like match source, I would just open the options here and I will choose high quality 1080p HD if I'm working with 1080 pixels, and this will be full HD. If I choose this one, it's not much that it changed because I already used this, you can see height before. So now if I scroll here in this video area, you can see I could also change here the resolution. If I scroll down, I have all the other settings and so on and so on. At the bottom of the video, you have estimated file size. In my case, it's 25 megabytes. So this is actually perfect. It's not too large. In your case, if you're getting it 2 gigabytes, 2000 megabytes, a very huge file, what you could do, you could just go to video area, and when you're scrolling here, scroll until you find bitrate settings. And in bitrate settings, you can choose target bitrate. It's megabytes per second, and now originally I have 20. You might have another number, just select it and move it to lower quality. So let's say I'll move to 10, and if I move somewhere here, you can see that estimated file size now is 13 megabytes. So I decrease the file size by half. And the real number what you want to use for your video, it's something that you have to experiment. If I move to, let's say, 3 or 2, I can see the video will take only 4 megabytes, but this will make my video really, really bad. If my original number was 20, I know that I have to play around in the upper part. So let's say if the 20 was here, I could play around and between 15 and 20, and I still wouldn't lose so much of video quality, or the quality of video that I would lose, I wouldn't notice. So you have to really see. You can go with 10, with the half of what's given, and export video. That will make your video export faster, but then when you open video, if you have a bad quality, if you don't like it, you have to go back here and export with the higher target bitrate. So you have to just experiment. If, for example, in my case, 20 gives 25 megabytes, I'm happy with that. I can just go with it. But to experiment, you could just go to 10 and click export, and it will be exported. Important thing before you click export is to know where the video is going to be placed. So now in my case, I have to check it in output name. So output name, it says the name of the video. If I move my mouse on it, I get exactly location where the video is going to be placed. So I have users, documents, and Blender video. So to change it, I will just click on this name and find the location where I want to save it. So I'll go to documents and find my folder that I created for this video. It's called Premiere Video, and I have 2 folders, sound videos. I will create new folder saying exported video, so everything is clean and I can find my videos later. I click creates this new folder, and I click save. So now if I hover on it, I can see that the location of this video is changed. And this is okay. The name of video is okay. I'm happy with that. I will click on export button and it will take a while to render your video. The longer the video is, the more effects you added, the longer it will take. Now when you have this table at the bottom that says that video was exported, and it depends on how powerful your computer is and how long the video was. If I have 2 hours of video, it will take forever to export. So basically you have to leave your computer just to do that one thing, and you should not use your computer to make sure your computer doesn't crash and you lose all the information that it was exported. If your computer crashes, we know that when we worked on this file, when we were editing it, we saved it. So we can just open again the same file of Adobe Premiere in Premiere and just export it again, maybe with different settings. So now with this video saved, I'll just go to Finder and go to the place where I have it, exported video, and I have my video here. So if I click it, I can click play. And that's actually the video that I wanted to create. And that actually is the end of this video.